Hey everyone, welcome back! In today's video, we're going to learn how to create a team indicator in Unreal Engine. This indicator will help players identify their teammates by showing a visual indicator that only their team members can see, while other players won't have access to it. It's a great feature for team-based games or multiplayer experiences. So, let's jump right into it. First, I am creating game mode to spawn players by giving them team number 1 and 2. I will also add player start in our game level to spawn our character in particular point in map. Add event handle starting player in game mode. Before we add spawn actor node, I am going to make team number variable inside our third person character. After you create team number variable, make sure to enable instance editable and expose on spawn. Also, don't forget to change replication to replicated. I am gonna rename this to game mode to avoid confusion. I'm gonna give team indicator to team 2, so first I'll spawn 2 players for team 1 and after that I will assign team 2 for other players. Now, we will use player start that we added in map earlier to spawn our player. We have to rename player start tag to spawn in that point. I will name it spawn. After this, we will create team indicator actor that will spawn above our player head. You can give any color you like to your team indicator. You can even put picture to identify team. For that you have to make your own material. I will use default color material provided by Unreal Engine. Here, we can control who can see our indicator. We can make this visible for every team, or we can destroy indicator for other teams. Don't worry, I will show both example. First, I will show what happens if we don't destroy team indicator for other team. Our team indicator will be visible to all other players. Now, we will spawn our team indicator by calling spawn node inside our player character. I will spawn team indicator if player is team 2. We will attach Team Indicator to make sure it properly follows our player wherever it goes. I am gonna attach Team Indicator to position of this cube, and I will hide this cube in game. Now, let's check our Team Indicator. Before that, we have to assign our game mode that we created earlier to level. Now that we have successfully implemented the Team Indicator, we can see it in action. However, at the moment, the indicator is visible to all teams. If you want to restrict the visibility of the indicator to only one specific team, continue watching this video. Additionally, if you want to remove the indicator for the player that you are controlling, I will show you how to accomplish that as well. So, let's continue with the tutorial and make these adjustments together. Now, we will implement a feature to destroy the team indicator for players who are not on Team 2. This means that players from other teams will not have the indicator displayed above their characters. Here you can see other team player are not able to see Team 2 indicator. Next, I will demonstrate how to remove the team indicator specifically for the player that you are controlling. Congrats! You have now successfully made Team Indicator for your game. You can see it is properly working.